Hello friends, you are most welcome to OJPRD once again, and today in this video it's going to be interesting because in this video today I'm going to talk about the person who are going to make the career in the music distribution or in the music field, who are going to get and earn the money from the music industries. So on the such things, the thing is there, we have to know which platform is best and which website is best where we can get a good profit, good amount, and our music must be distributed in all over the world through a many platform of the music. So in such a way, today in this video I am going to complete the four basically famous website where you are going to get upload the music to just monetize, or directly I can say distribute through it all over the world. So for that, what we have to do, the thing is there, we have to know about that four platforms actually. So today I am going to show you here, but if you are new in our channel, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video, because this video is hope very interesting for you and for your knowledge purpose. So let's begin with this. And the things is there, the artists are there, the singers are there. For them it is a very best video. You can just analyze everything here, because if you are directly putting your things in the markets, you cannot be able to acknowledge your conditions, that what you know about such all things. But after analyzing such all the platforms basically who are very famous through in all over the world, so today I'm going to just discuss small thing about this platform. It's a small video, just watch up to end. So today first of all I am going to talk about the ToneCore. ToneCore is a music distribution platform which is basically distribute the music in 150 platforms. So if we are going to talk about the countries, so more than 100 countries it is going to be stream. So the thing is there, actually what is ToneCore? Actually the ToneCore is a best platform for the music distribution service, and it is distributing to the Softy, Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, JioSaavn, YouTube Music, Amazon Music, Google Play, more. And there are so much platforms are available. But what actually you are getting from here? 100% royalties, but the charges are too much from the ToneCore. Actually what happened, the actually we have to give the price when we are uploading the music, ringtones, or whether it's a song. And third thing is there, when you have to check the all over the yearly plan, so you have to pay something 49 to $50 every year for the each release to just be continue from that for the next year. So this thing is there to keep the music, your music in the store for the next year. You every year you have to pay here $50 for the single music. So yeah, now you can be able to understand that the ToneCore is actually a very best platform for the distribution service also. But actually what happening nowadays, the competition in the market for the distribution of the music, there is too much. Because of that only, the ToneCore is now comparing much better than the CD Baby. CD Baby is also a platform I am going to discuss you in just in few seconds only. But first I am going to tell you the ToneCore. So here I have just completed the ToneCore. What actually the ToneCore, I have also told you that the ToneCore is very best for leading and just distributing the music in all over the world. But the thing is there, we have to think about the charges. The charges is too high, which is not able to pay by a small artist. Okay, so the thing is there, you have to see here, you have to concentrate here in your music. If the sales are not had been done by the user, or it not had been viewed by any other user, so you are going to be get a loss here. But if your sales is good, your promotion is good, your distribution is good, and the viewers are good, so you will get the best earning here. This is the thing in the ToneCore. Now I am going to escaping towards the CD Baby. After giving you knowledge, CD Baby is a best distribution platform in all over the world. So here if we are talking about, so the thing is there, that same as a ToneCore, it have the more 150 plus that distribution platforms are there. But thing is there, let I show you. The thing is there that the music distribution service is just distributing the music in more than 150 platforms. It means it's contribute more than 150 partners. So the thing is there, the music distribution have tie up with too many partners more than compare with the ToneCore. if the TuneCore is providing 150 platforms to distribute the music, so it is providing 1500 platforms. So the thing is first, the another thing is there that TuneCore is providing 100 plus streaming platforms, but here you can see the music CD Baby is providing 150 plus streaming. So the thing is there, you can also going to see your music in Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, Amazon, Pandora, YouTube, Deezer, and these all the platforms are there. But the actual comparison, if we are going to talk, so what we are going to see here, I am going to tell you that the TuneCore is giving you 100% royalties for your earning, but here CD Baby is not giving 100% of your royalties on your earning. It's 9%, it's taken by the CD Baby. The thing is there, another thing is there, when one time fee you have to require, there is no any kind of another annual plan is there. When you are just uploading the music, that time you have to pay at least the $9 to $10 for the one music. First time fee you have to submit it. Now your music be on the store every times, means it's be every time you can be able to, you don't have to give the plans for the next year, third year. You be able to stay their music only in your platform only. It will not escape from there as like a TuneCore. If you are not going to pay yearly plans, so TuneCore will remove your music from their stores. So but the CD Baby is not going to remove the store, remove your music, and it will continue from lifetime. Okay, so the thing is there, and the another thing is there, I am going to tell you about the CD Baby. CD Baby is a best platform, but actually the problem is there, that's only that it's taking the 9% from your base earning, and the music distribution, YouTube monetization, since license, publishing, administration, these all are the functionalities they have provided. Okay, but if we will talk about the comparison between TuneCore and CD Baby, so the both are equally, as I am going to proceed. If you have the interest, you can join TuneCore also and CD Baby also. Both are equally distributed, but thing is there, the some functionalities is escaping from the TuneCore, so the functionality is giving by the CD Baby, but the CD Baby is taking the royalties from your earnings, so here it is not taking the royalties. So if you will compare both the services, so it's be just like at the last, it's be like a equal. From here they are just managing, so this company is from managing from here. Okay, so the both branded companies is there, and I have just talked about these two company. Now I am going to take you in the another platform, that is a Songtrade. Actually the Songtrade is a very best platform, but the actually interface is actually a really advanced, and it's really the interface is very best. If you are using the actually buyer views, so you can just click here, and if you are using the seller views, you have to just click here in seller views. So this is a very best platform. Here everything you are going to see here, the balance, the things, everything. The dashboard is actually also a very best and it's a very fine. The thing is there, it is also just distributing the music to all over the platform. But the thing is there, what I am going to show you here, little bit things is there. First thing I am going to show you, when the two option is available basically here in the Songtrade, you will see if you have the one artist, for the example one artist, so you can distribute freely. But if you want two artists, so you have to pay too much. If you how many artists you are increasing, the money amount is increasing. Okay, the thing is there. First thing, the other thing is there, the 100% royalty it is giving, and the third is there, monthly and annual plan is there. It's a monthly and this is an annual plan. And if you are using the normal pro account, example I am going to show you, if you are not using pro amount simple account, so you can be able to upload the free music here, so and you can just get the 100% royalties. The thing is there, it's a very best platform. You can be able to use this platform, and it can distribution is also there. You can distribute your service, and these are and one thing is there, I'm going to tell you one thing, I just forgot it. When we are choosing the Songtrade platform, so the distribution service is there. So I am going to tell you, in the distribution service there is not much distribution compared with the, I am going to tell you compared with the CD Baby and TuneCore. But here one thing I am going to show you, that when you are choosing the Songtrade, so the your music is going to be on Facebook also, in Instagram also, in TikTok also, and many more platform also, which is very famous. So this thing is there also there. So hope you have understand this thing, because if we are using this normal platform, so here we are not getting more than one artist to upload your music. If you want to upload here, so you have to go in the upload and you can directly here from you can just upload the music. But the thing is there, is it perfect for the beginners? So I am going to suggest you, if you are using the pro plan, so then it is best for as a beginner, because in the pro plan they are going to distribute into too many stores, because here the actually the thing is there, it's providing free service, but free service is up to the limited features. If you are feeling that you are want more features, more distributions, more things, so you have to buy it. The third is there, at last I am going to talk about the thing is there, that is Amuse. Amuse is a very best platform for the startup one, the starter and the beginners one. Actually, what about the Amuse? I hope everyone is know about the Amuse, but Amuse is a platform which is really providing the 100% free distribution. You first time you have to just hope, I think so, 299 rupees you have to give it for your just a pro plan, and you will continue as a free music distributor here, and you can earn 100% royalty. Nowadays actually the problem is there, the competition of the high music distribution, there are 3 or 4 basically: ToneCore, CD Baby, Songtrade, and here Amuse. But the list is appearing of in the first top in top trade, that is Amuse. Why? Amuse is providing a free platform. The thing is this, and giving the 100% royalty. The another thing is this, because of that only, it's a new company. It's not a very old company. It's providing the good distribution service also. It's like to distribute in every store, but not more than CD Baby and ToneCore, but is in the position of that only. But the thing is there, it's providing the 100% royalties. There are no money we have to pay it. It's giving full royalties 100%, and the music is going to be released in everywhere. So if we are, I'm going to show you the thing is there, we have two plans is there. One is normal one and that other is pro. In the pro plan you are going to get the more functionality compared with the low one. So after all, at last I am going to tell you, we are seeing that ToneCore, CD Baby, Songtrade, Independent. So what platform we are going to choose, which is best? The option is here. So I know in your mind the question is arising, what actually which platform is best? So today I am going to tell you, the thing is there in the 4 platform. If you are the beginner, if you don't have the money, if you are thinking that I have to become a successful person, so first you have to put your leg in the first ladder, that is Amuse. Amuse is providing you free service for your career purpose to get a earning. Then you have to escape from such all platforms to go into the big. Directly we cannot jump into the big. So as like a free, you can choose the as a beginner Amuse. Amuse is a best platform, free distribution. You can join this platform and you can just start your earning, or you just be able to distribute your music to all over the world. The another thing is there, if you are choosing to the Songtrade, so as a beginner, if you are choosing the Amuse, after that you have to choose that Songtrade, because Songtrade is also a best platform. Not more much it's tracking high revenues, but it's taking for the single artist it's free and you can use it freely. So that thing is there. If you are completed with the Amuse, so then you can escape with on the Songtrade. Now I am going to talk about the third thing is there. Third thing is there, that you have to take the CD Baby. CD Baby is, I am just putting in the second position, and in the first position, or directly I can say that as like a beginner, I'm directly talking about the beginner, not our experters. I'm talking about the beginners. If you are the beginner, so I'm suggesting first one Amuse, second one Songtrade, third CD Baby, fourth ToneCore. If you are an expert, you have a good active performance, you have a good knowledge, so I am saying that choose first of all CD Baby, then ToneCore, then a Songtrade, then Independent Amuse. So this is the thing. So the thing is there, and if one thing is I am going to tell you, if you are thinking that you have to do nothing here, you have to only make the career in the music distribution field. So directly I'm going to suggest you, left everything, go in the CD Baby, try this platform. It's very best platform. You will get the good support here, good distribution services there. But only the problem is there is a 99% of the royalty it will take. But for the example, I am going to tell you the one thing: if you will not earn the money, so it will not going to take. But if you are earn the money from your music, so it's going to take the 9%. So this is a good thing here. But the thing is there in ToneCore. The ToneCore is also best here. If we will, I am going to just compare the CD and ToneCore. So both are very vast and best platform. But the thing is there, CD, the ToneCore, it's not going to keep your track after 1 years if you are not going to pay the amount. But the CD Baby, it's going to keep the your track as a lifetime if you are not paying the amount, because there is no annual fee. One time you have to pay it. This thing is there in the CD Baby. So both the platform are the good, but I am going to tell you, if you are thinking that if you want to show someone your music in the career, in the whole life, so the thing is there, the CD Baby is a best platform. But ToneCore, if you are an expert singer, now I'm going to tell you more than expertization. If you are feeling, if you're thinking, if you have the name, fame, everything, and you can be able to do anything in the market by your song, you can just be able to earn the huge amount of money. So finally, I am going to suggest you choose the ToneCore. ToneCore is there. Firstly, you have to think that yearly you have to pay it the yearly plan. But the thing is there in the CD pay is not there. But in CD Baby, you think that if you are going to earn the huge amount, for the example, you have earned the 1 lakh rupees. Okay, for the example, in the 1 lakh rupees, you have to give the 9,000 rupees to the CD Baby. Okay. And the in ToneCore, if you earn the 1 lakh rupees, so 1 lakh you have to cap it. But thing is there, in annually you have to pay the every annually time you have to pay this. If your music is not making the money, the thing is coming again. I am going to tell you one thing: if your music is not making money, and it simply stay in the store, but still you have to pay for that. The thing is their problem in the ToneCore. The another thing in CD Baby, if your music is in the platform, okay, it's not just viewing by the viewers, so it's no problem, because you are nothing, you don't nothing you have to pay. But you have the stocks, you can be able to show them to the users, your fans. But in CD Baby, you have to keep the maintenance. So directly at the last, I am going to tell you that the ToneCore is for the royal ones who have the good amount of money. The person who don't have the problem of money, so you just can choose ToneCore. And if you have the normal candidate users, a beginner, so you can use the CD Baby. So both are very best platform. The thing is there, at last I'm going to tell you, if you are choosing the ToneCore, so annually you are going to get a huge burden. The thing is there, if the ToneCore is providing, for the example, it's changing its policy that the yearly plan it will not going to take, so I will suggest you that ToneCore is a best platform in all over the world. There is nothing like CD Baby also when the ToneCore is going to off its annual plan. Because in annual plan only we have to going to get the sometime loss too much, because we don't have the budget and we cannot be able to pay. So, but the CD Baby is the best now, so that's why I am choosing here, telling a CD Baby. The thing now now you can be able to understand everything, that who is the best platform, ToneCore or CD Baby. After analyzing such all the criteria in all over the market, I have just told you about these 4 platforms. But the thing is there, basically the motivative platforms are both ToneCore and CD Baby, because these are the secure platforms. Here you can going to be see your music as a distribution in all over the world. There are no kinds of problem here. But I am going to tell you one thing here: the Songtrade and the independent record, I am going to strictly say MUs, these True platform is also a best platform for the beginners, and you can just start your making the career in this music platform, because this is a freely and you can just use here to distribute the music in all over the world. The thing is there, at last I am going to, if you feel that this video is very useful and very important for you, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video and share your comments. So thing is there, we have thanks for watching you here and looking you here, and thanks for watching us. Bye bye, take care, and subscribe us. Bye bye, take care.